Hello students, here is the question. Four identical rectangular plates with length equal to 2 cm, breadth equal to 3 by 2 cm are arranged as shown in the figure. So here is the figure. The equivalent capacitance between A and C is x epsilon naught by d, and we need to find the value of x. So if you look in the question over here in the figure, A and C are the capacitors whose equivalent capacitance is given to us, and B or D are connected to each other, and we know that when two capacitors are connected to each other, they can be told to be the same in the values in this case. So this is the figure over here. What we will do is we will just name this as 1 2 3 4 over here, and look closely over here. I will just draw the diagram again. This is 1, that is A. This is B, C and D. Now B and D were connected, correct? B and D were connected. C was not connected. This was 2, 3 and 4. And we know that whenever two capacitor plates are in this situation over here, we know they are that can be represented like this. And B and C over here, as you can see, are in parallel sequence with this. So over here we can write B and C as these two, because B is the same as D, so these two can be taken to be equal, and C is the plate over here. We know the capacitance is epsilon naught A by D, so equivalent capacitance is the parallel combination plus the series combination. That is the series part over here, as the parallel combination is in series with this capacitor over here. So 2C is the parallel one, because we know capacitance in parallel will have the equivalent capacitance to be 2C, and when they are in series, the formula becomes 2C into C upon 2C plus C. So the value total becomes 2C by 3, and once we put 2C by 3 in the terms, we get 2 by 3 into epsilon naught by d into 2 into 3 by 2, as area is length into breadth. Once we have that, we get the value of the equivalent capacitance as 2 epsilon naught by d, and from that we can say that the value of x becomes 2. Thank you.